A college dropout just made $47,000 in 30 days using artificial intelligence to write, publish, and monetize content across the internet without touching a single platform himself. He didn't write a single word. He didn't film a single video. He didn't even log into YouTube or Medium or Substack. So how is he making 5 figures a month while sleeping? And why aren't more people doing this? For the last decade, we've been told the path to online income is simple. Create content, build an audience, monetize through ads or sponsorships. But here's what nobody tells you. The average YouTuber makes 18 cents per 1,000 views. A Medium writer makes almost nothing. Substack creators spend months building a list just to make their first $100. The bottleneck isn't money. The bottleneck is time. Most creators spend 20 to 40 hours per week producing content. That's a full-time job that pays like a part-time gig. In 2024, we're watching a new model emerge. It's called automated content distribution, and it's powered by AI. Instead of spending weeks on one piece of content, creators are now using software to generate, publish, and optimize content across dozens of platforms simultaneously. One platform doing this at scale is Verify Auto Publisher. It's not the only player in this space, but it's one of the few that's actually delivering measurable revenue to everyday creators. Here's what makes it different. Verify Auto Publisher operates on a simple premise. You provide the core idea or topic. The system handles everything else. Step 1. Content generation. You feed the AI a topic, a keyword, or even just a rough outline. The software generates multiple variations of articles, blog posts, and social media content. Each one is optimized for different platforms and different algorithms. Step 2. Multi-platform publishing. Instead of manually uploading to Medium, dev.to, Substack, LinkedIn, and a dozen other platforms, Verify publishes across all of them simultaneously. Different formats for different audiences. Step 3. Monetization integration. This is the part most creators miss. Verify Auto Publisher connects your accounts to platforms that actually pay. Medium's Partner Program. Substack sponsorships. Google AdSense. The system tracks which content performs, which platforms convert, and which formats generate the most revenue per piece. Step 4. Optimization. The software monitors performance in real time. What headline drove the most clicks? What keyword led to the most conversions? The next batch of content is adjusted accordingly. A creator using this system doesn't need to understand YouTube's algorithm or Medium's recommendation engine or LinkedIn's engagement mechanics. The software does that learning for you. The result is what happened with that college dropout. He published 47 pieces of content in 30 days. None of them took him more than 5 minutes to conceptualize. The system generated variations, published them, tracked performance, and collected revenue across 8 different platforms. $47,000 came from a combination of ad revenue, sponsorships, and platform bonuses. But here's where it gets more interesting. He didn't do this alone. He was part of a cohort of creators using the same system. Some made more, some made less, but almost all of them made significantly more than they would have manually creating content. This matters because it exposes a fundamental shift in how online income works in 2024. For years, the advice was clear. Niches win riches. Find your niche. Become an expert. Build an audience in that niche. That model still works. But it's slow. It takes months or years to build enough authority to make real money. The automated model flips it. Instead of betting everything on one niche, you cast a wider net. You publish across multiple topics, multiple platforms, multiple formats. Some content will fail. But in a system of dozens of pieces per month, most will succeed. The numbers work differently too. Traditional creators might aim for 100,000 views to make their first $1,000. An automated system might publish 50 pieces and make $2,000 from 50,000 total views, because those views are coming from monetized platforms, not just YouTube ads. More platforms equals more revenue sources. More revenue sources equals more stability. This is also why investors are suddenly interested in automation platforms. The venture capital world watched creators struggle for years. But if a software platform can turn an average creator into a 5-figure per month generator, the unit economics become insane. A $200 subscription to Verify Auto Publisher pays for itself in the first day of usage. The startup ecosystem is noticing. Platforms like Verify are raising serious funding. They're not chasing vanity metrics. They're chasing revenue-generating creators because revenue-generating creators stay subscribed. There's a catch, though, and you should know it. Automated publishing sounds perfect until you actually try it. The first limitation is content quality. AI-generated content is functional. It's optimized. But it rarely goes viral. It rarely builds true audience loyalty. The creator making $47,000? He wasn't making it from viral hits. He was making it from consistent, steady monetization across platforms. Boring works. Exciting pays in the short term, but boring builds sustainable revenue. The second limitation is saturation. As more creators use these tools, average revenue per piece will decline. Right now, being early gives you an advantage, but that advantage shrinks as more people adopt the technology. The third limitation is platform risk. YouTube, Medium, Substack, LinkedIn. These platforms can change their payment policies overnight. They can ban bulk publishing. They can crack down on AI content. Creators using automated systems are riding on platforms they don't control. That's why the smartest creators using these tools aren't trying to maximize short-term revenue. They're using the tools to build email lists. An email list is something you control. An email list is something you own. Everything else is renting space on someone else's property. A creator using Verify Auto Publisher to drive traffic to a personal email list, then monetizing the email list directly, is playing a different game entirely. That's not a 5-figure per month creator. That's a person building a real asset. So, circling back to the original question, how is someone making $47,000 in 30 days using AI and automated publishing? By understanding that the bottleneck in content creation isn't money, it's time. By publishing more, publishing faster, and publishing across more platforms than any human creator could manage alone. By treating automation as a numbers game where 50 pieces generating slightly above average revenue beats one perfect piece taking 100 hours. Is this the future of content creation? Partially.